Hello everyone! Previously, we reviewed the top 10 best assault rifles in the world. In this video, we present an overview of the 10 best machine guns in the world. This review includes both unified heavy machine guns and machine guns for intermediate cartridges. 10th place, American M60 machine gun. Adopted in 1957, used prominently in the Vietnam War. Gas-operated, belt-fed, caliber 7.62 by 51 mm NATO, rate of fire 550 rounds per minute, effective range 1100 meters, weight 10 kilograms. Being phased out since the 1980s, but still in limited service. 9th place, Soviet heavy machine gun DShK. Developed in 1938 and modernized in 1946 as the DShK-M. Gas-operated, 12.7 by 108 mm caliber, rate of fire up to 1,200 rounds per minute, weight 33 kilograms without mount. Still used in conflicts worldwide. Later replaced by the NSV UTES and the Cord. 8th place, American heavy machine gun Browning M2 HB. Developed in 1932 based on the M1921, still in service. Modernized in 2011 with quick change barrel, safety, flash hider, and Picatinny rail. Recoil operated, .50 BMG caliber, rate of fire 635 rounds per minute. Used for long-range sniper engagements. Weight 58 kilograms on mount. 7th place, Soviet-Russian PKM. Adopted in 1961. Modernized in 1969 as the PKM. Gas-operated, rotating bolt, 7.62 by 54 mm R caliber. Rate of fire 650 rounds per minute. Weight 7.5 kilograms, belt-fed. Known for reliability and widespread use in conflicts over the last 50 years. 6th place, Belgian FN Minimi, also known as the M249 SAW. Developed in 1975. Gas-operated, rotating bolt, primarily 5.56 by 45 mm. Can use magazines or belts. Rate of fire up to 1,150 rounds per minute. Weight 6.85 kilograms. Quick change barrel. Used by many NATO countries. 5th place, German MG3. The MG42 was considered one of the best machine guns of World War II. The MG3, adopted in 1960, is its modernized version in 7.62 by 51 mm NATO. Recoil operated, roller locked, rate of fire up to 1,500 rounds per minute, belt fed. Known for high rate of fire, simplicity, and reliability. 4th place, Belgian FAN MAG or M240. Developed in the 1950s, gas-operated, tilting bolt, 7.62 by 51 mm NATO, rate of fire 1,000 rounds per minute, weight 12 kilograms, quick change barrel. Used by over 80 countries and produced under license in the USA and UK. 3rd place, Russian PKP Pecheneg. Modernized Kalashnikov machine gun adopted in 1999. Gas-operated, 7.62 by 54 mm R. Sustained fire capability of over 600 rounds in long bursts. Weight 8.2 kilograms. Effective range 1,500 meters. Features a fixed barrel with forced air cooling and redesigned bipod. 2nd place, Israeli IWI Negev. Developed in 1997. Gas-operated, rotating bolt, available in 5.56 and 7.62 mm versions. quick change barrel, adjustable gas regulator, can use belts or Galil magazines. Rate of fire up to 1,000 rounds per minute. Foldable stock, Picatinny rails.
First place, German MG5, formerly HK121. Developed in 2009 to replace the MG3. Gas-operated, rotating bolt, 7.62 by 51 mm NATO. Multiple variants including standard and light. Quick change barrel, feeds from plastic drums or belts. Rate of fire 750 rounds per minute. Effective range up to 1,500 meters depending on variant.